What's up guys, my name is Nick Kutsia. I'm most well known as the guy who stopped washing his hair in order to prevent hair loss. So I'm generally someone who tries to not use any products, be that on my hair or on my skin. So I want to tell you about an exception that I'm making today. In the past, I've always been someone who struggled a little bit with oily skin. And I found that all the products I've used, have either dried my skin out too much, or it's been a greasy result afterwards, and also it often means there's a whole bunch of products I've got to use and I'm never sure what kind of order to use them in. So I'm making an exception because I found a product range that really does seem to suit my skin type. I've tried a lot of different products in the past, and before this I literally was just giving up on every single product. I was just gonna not use anything on my skin anymore. What I found though is a really cool product from Arbor Men's, and their skincare range is really simple to use. For me, I run my own business and I have my own time, and I don't want to add this complex kind of skin routine that is going to be, distracting or taking me a really long time in order to figure out every morning, every evening. They've gone as far, and this is probably my favorite part about these products. Instead of just labeling them with what the product is, they've literally labeled things step 1. So exactly, I wake up in the morning, I can still be half asleep, and I can look and I can see in the dark, okay, step 1, first thing to use is the face wash. Now between the face wash and the step number 2 exfoliator, I find this really helps to get rid of the oiliness that my skin tends to have naturally. Now in the past, when I've used products like this before, it's often dried my skin out too much. And what that's meant is either, I go out with dry skin, or I'm left, using some kind of moisturizer that leaves a bit of a greasy layer on my skin. If I'm going out on a date or something like that, and I want to, make sure that I'm looking good, I don't want to use a product range that is going to make me look greasy and shiny when I'm out. And what I've found is that there's step number 3. So the moisturizer, I literally use this in the morning and in the evening. And I find this is really great. After cleaning my skin really well, it hydrates my skin again, but it doesn't give that chic that you find with a lot of different moisturizers out there. So I'm making an exception. Normally I don't use any products on my skin or my hair, but I found that the Arbor Men's range it's extremely easy to understand and use, and it's extremely effective, and it gets me the results that I'm after. So it's definitely going to become part of my daily routine. Bang, bang, bang.